Hey, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Welcome to day 63 of our 2021 challenge. I started a challenge back in February to lose 21 pounds because it's the year 2021 and 21 pounds would put me right back into the normal BMI range for the first time in a long time. So I started at 200 pounds and I've gotten down as far as 186. So I've lost 14 pounds total. Today I'm 188. So I've gained 2 pounds. And I'll tell you about that here in just a second. Warning, spoiler alert, I'm going to talk about the COVID vaccine. So if you don't want to hear about that, now's the time to back away. So, why did I gain 2 pounds? So first of all, let me show you my graph. You can see my weight loss, and you can see the little blip there where things went haywire. And it was all stress. Like I said, I'll tell you about it here in just a second. But my blood pressure stayed normal. I'm still, from the last week or two, been holding a steady blood pressure. It was a little higher this morning. It was what, 124? You can almost see that. Oh, there, 124 over 75. So not horrible, but it's been down 115, 108, 117, that kind of thing. So the blood pressure I'm not worried about. But as far as the weight, I did gain a couple pounds. So what happened? Stress eating processed food. Because when you're stressed, you're worried, you're freaked out, you have anxiety, all that kind of stuff, you're going to do what you would normally do when you're stressed out. For me, that's eat. Eat comfort food, like French fries. The frozen processed French fries that have oil, that's what I had. I had a restaurant salad. It had a vinaigrette with oil. One night, I was just so exhausted mentally. All I wanted was a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And I don't eat peanut butter during the challenge, but I did that night with bread, regular sourdough bread, and I even threw in some instant mashed potatoes from the store. And those things are nasty because they're all salt. But we keep them on hand for my grandson. He likes them, so that's why they're here in the house. Anyway, all of that processed food, all that salt, even some fat, and I've gained a couple pounds. What was I so freaked out about? Well, go back a week to Tuesday. I got an email from my doctor, and he wanted to let us know that they were setting up a COVID vaccine clinic, and we were welcome to come and sign up and get our vaccine shots. I have been trying to avoid all things COVID for so long, and that includes really doing the research on the vaccines. I knew what they were. I knew the different kinds. I know there are 2 shots, except for Johnson & Johnson, which is back on the market. That's 1 shot. But that's really all I knew. There's some side effects, yeah. And it's a really touchy subject. I know that too. So I just went ahead and, just in a rash decision, signed us up. Which was fine. My wife was okay with it. I was okay with it that day. And then Wednesday came around and we started thinking about it. We had time to think about it. It's like, is this a really good idea? Do we want to do this? Do we know what the effects are going to be? Is this what the long-term effects are going to be? And, come Thursday, we were in full-blown panic mode. And that's when the stress eating came in. So we ended up chickening out. Did not get the Moderna shot after all. And then we felt horrible about that because we felt like we made a mistake. We should have gotten the shots. The point is, don't rush into something like this without making an informed decision. I made a very uninformed decision to avoid the shot, to back out, to cancel out, because I didn't really take the time to do my homework and know what I was getting myself into. So that whole next Friday, we watched some videos. And in fact, one of my readers sent me a really good video from Chef AJ. She interviews a COVID doctor, and he answered a lot of questions. He alleviated, I think that's the word, a lot of my fears. And I'll post the link down here, and there'll be a card up here you can watch. It was a really good video. And I watched a few others. You probably have heard of Dr. John Campbell, the UK doctor. He's done a video almost every single day since COVID broke out. Very well-informed guy, very pleasant to listen to guy, pretty smart guy. I like what he has to say. He seems to be a very non-judgmental, this is just laying out the facts kind of guy. So he was really good to listen to. And you can just Google Dr. John Campbell COVID and you'll find him. But yeah, we watched some videos and found some pretty reputable sources to get some more information on the vaccine. And that helped. That helped a lot. So as a matter of fact, Saturday, I did go and get my shot from a different clinic, and I got the Pfizer shot this time. So I am one and done. I actually got it. Side effects, very little. I've had a headache off and on for a day or so, and I'm getting really tired easy. Come afternoon, I'm ready to take a nap. So I had a nap yesterday, and I had a nap the day before that, like half-hour cat nap. But other than that, I'm fine. I have no other side effects. My wife did not get the shot yet. She was feeling ill that day that I got mine Saturday, and totally separate problem, and did not go. So she's still waiting to get healed up from her problem, and then she'll probably go and get signed up for a different shot. But I've had my one, and I feel better. I feel relieved. And like I said, other than a few side effects, I'm fine. Nothing major, really. But the whole panic thing, we haven't been panicked and freaked out like that in a long time. And that can lead you to stress seize. And that's what I did. So be careful of that. And yeah, you can gain a few pounds if you're not careful like I did. So that's what happened last week. That's why I'm up a couple. I'm back on track. Shots done. Going forward. Going back to my normal food. Leaving the processed junk alone. And yeah, that's what's happening. So, hope this video was helpful to you. If you're interested in a challenge we're doing, I'll put a link down below. There'll also be a video up here in the corner. And we, a bunch of us get together on my Facebook group and we share stories and inspiration and recipes and the food we're eating and just support each other. If you'd like to join that too, again, I'll put a link down below. No pressure. It's a great group though. We'd love to have you. And what else? Oh, if you're brand new to the YouTube channel, I would appreciate a like and a thumbs up. If you get value out of this video, please be sure and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Until then, this is Chuck, back on track, losing weight again from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.